What is lysosome? We know very well that lysosome is going to act as a societal bag within the cell, isn't it? Now, why it is going to act as a societal bag? We will discuss about that. This is Dr. Pankaj Kumar, your mentor for the session. Now, you see, lysosome is a single bound organelle, okay? And why we call them as a societal bag? Because they have a large amount of digestive enzymes in the presence of acid hydrolysis, okay? So, that is the things that is present over there, okay? So, in plant cells, for instance, they don't have a lysosome, but in that case, what happens, the large vacuole they have present, they are going to act as a lysosomes, right? And as far as the origin of lysosome is concerned, it is the Golgi body that is responsible for the lysosome, and we often say that it originates from GERL. GERL stands for Golgi associated endoplasmic reticulum, right? So, they are primarily responsible for the origin of lysosome. Now, the important thing in a lysosome, there are different types, and what we call them: primary lysosome, secondary lysosome, tertiary lysosome, and quaternary lysosome, or we also say as a autophagic lysosome. Now, what is primary lysosome? So, all those lysosomes with inactive acid hydrolysis, then they call them the primary lysosome, or we can say at the time of the very formation or origin, we can say it is a primary lysosome. Now, when lysosome and the amount to be digested, we call them phagosome, right? When the phagosome and lysosomes are connected or they join together, then when we call them the secondary lysosomes, right? Then what happens after digestion? The lysosomes might be having some undigested material. So, that is the situation when we call them as a tertiary lysosome. So, what is a tertiary lysosome? Lysosomes along with some undigested material, or we can say residual bodies. So, they together constitute the tertiary lysosomes, right? Now, there is one more, what we call autophagic. So, lysosome containing cell organelles to be digested, what we call autophagic lysosome, right? We can see in the diagram as well. Have a look at this diagram. So, you see there, so from this GERL, this lysosome is actually being synthesized, what we call them primary lysosome. Now, primary lysosome is getting attached with this phagosome. Now, this phagosome, then they together constitute the secondary lysosome, right? Now, after secondary lysosome, what happens? Then there is a residual body, we are calling them a tertiary lysosome, right? So, this is how the primary getting converted into secondary, secondary getting converted into tertiary, that is how actually it works. Now, finally, let us talk about the function. What are the function? First, intracellular digestion. It can be heterophagy, it can be autophagy. What is heterophagy? Digestion of the foreign material. What is autophagy? Digestion of the dead cell organelle. So, that is both function comes under the intracellular digestion. Now, the second is what we call extracellular digestion, that is lysosomes of osteoclast that is found in bone. This is what we call extracellular digestion. And then there is a autolysis. So, lysosome of cell burst to dissolve the cell completely. When the cell has to be removed or worn out, then what happens? That lysosomes digest or lysosomes burst, and all the acid hydrolysis enzyme releases, and thereby the cellular content is actually being destroyed. So, this is how the entire function of lysosome is actually being conducted, right? So, that is all as far as the lysosome is concerned. Thank you.